Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
कोस्टल झोन मॅनेजमेंट प्लान हो भारताच्या कोस्टल रिजनाच्या नियोजना खातीर एक म्हत्वाचो डॉक्युमेंट. हो डॉक्युमेंट पर्यावरणाचे संरक्षण आणि उदरगत हांचे मदीं तोल राखपा खातीर तयार करतात. हो प्लॅन एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन ॲक्ट 1986 खाला कोस्टल रेग्युलेशन झोन अधिसुचोवणेच्या मार्गदर्शन तत्वा प्रमाण तयार करतात. दर एका राज्याक हो प्लॅन नेमान तयार करप गरजेचें आसता. भारत सरकारान CZMP 2011 मंजुरी दिल्ली, मात राज्य सरकाराक ह्या प्लॅनात कांय तांत्रिक त्रुटी लक्षात आयल्यो म्हण मंत्री आलेश उलयलो.
We have the government of India has approved CZMP 2011. We have found certain discrepancies, so we have brought it to the attention of the Ministry of Environment and Policy. They have asked NCSCM agency Chennai to relook into it. Now here is the situation. By one side we have the NGT pressing for completion of CZMP 2019. The other side is we have found a few discrepancies which we feel should be rectified before we start with this exercise. So there is a bit of a tug of war between the two.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.